basic. New Yorkers twice. Shoulder to shoulder twice. Fence lines twice. Chase. Sound steps twice. Traveling doors. To open, walk to and chop. Twice. Sliding door. Rock hard, recover, forward chop. Forward twin, back chop. Back basic. Sliding door. Rock hard, recover, chop face. Shoulder to shoulder twice. Reverse underarm turn. Underarm turn. Chase with a peekaboo. Reverse underarm turn. Crab walks. Spot turn. Break back to open. Walk to and chop. Circle away and together. Time steps twice. Chase with a double peekaboo. Chase with an underarm pass. Open break and whip. Cross body. Cross body. To a handshake, flirt to a fan. Alemannia. Hand to hand twice. Half basic to a fan. Hockey stick. New Yorkers twice. Basic. New Yorker to forward triple chops. Rock recover back triple chops. New Yorker. Aide. Switch rock. Spot turn. Shoulder to shoulder twice. Fence line. Aide. Switch with a cross. Cucaracha. Twice. And a third time.